Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can match bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. When you go to Transactions and then Bank Transactions, you'll see a list of items that need to be categorized. Sometimes you'll notice an option that says Add, and other times it will say Match. Let's pull up an example where it shows View and indicates there are two possible matches. In QuickBooks, the match option means there's already an entry in your books that's the same or very similar to the transaction coming from the bank. This feature helps you avoid creating duplicate entries. When you're reviewing a match, make sure the details line up correctly. For instance, here we see an expense date and price. QuickBooks found a corresponding transaction on the same date, for the same amount to the same payee. Everything matches up, so we can go ahead and select it, then click Match. If you realize that you selected the wrong transaction, don't worry, you can undo it and recategorize it correctly. QuickBooks also allows you to review the details of what was matched to confirm accuracy. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.